Hey guys, welcome into the Ready Response channel. My name is Mike. I'm the founder and CEO here at Ready Response. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below just to make sure you can follow us on our journey to strengthen the chain of survival through our engaging educational content. We'll see you on the other side. Hey guys, Mike here, founder and CEO at Ready Response. Throwing a really quick video together today because you're probably asking the question, how much does it cost to actually buy an AED and do CPR training and learn how to use that AED for my workplace? So if you go to our pricing page and there's a link in the description below, you can actually toggle based on the number of staff members you have and get an estimate right on our website. And then what's going to happen is you're going to see a little box below to schedule a consultation. Very, very important you do that because there's so many different factors and variables that go into this. So for example, the modality of your training, right? The organization of your training, Red Cross, American Heart Association, Health and Safety Institute, all different variables that kind of go into pricing. I will tell you though, we offer a ton of discounts on not just the CPR training side, but also on the product side with AEDs. When you bundle all of that together, tends to be way more cost effective. We can truly be your one-stop shop for all things CPR training and AED related. So we do have rescue-ready packages available. You can also view those on our product page. Absolutely encourage you to reach out, schedule a call. Training starts as low as like $500, and based on the number of people in your organization, whether it's a small group, that's great. Any number of people is great, actually. Or if it's the entire organization, we work with a lot of national accounts that have all 50 of their offices trained. We can absolutely help you with that as well. And again, when you pair and bundle, it tends to decrease the cost of all that because that's probably in the back of your brain, like one of the most important questions you're asking is budget. Absolutely happy to talk with you about that. We have different types of packages and group pricing that really meet the needs for just about everybody that we work with. So hundreds of businesses that we've trained, and really happy to work with you on that. What I will tell you, go to our pricing page on our website, readyresponsepa.com. You can just, again, toggle in the search bar there based on the number of staff you have. Generally speaking, you'll get a framework or a general number for the cost of the actual training, and then obviously pairing you with an AED will decrease that. There is a very quick video. It's titled Simplifying Your Workplace CPR Training. I think it's maybe 2 minutes long, 1.5 minutes long. So take 90 seconds out of your day, watch that video. It will break down our simple 4-step process for you. So that way you can kind of see globally what it would actually look like in practice and how we set that up for you. And then on top of that, pairing you with the appropriate AED on our consultation, which is free, of course. We don't obviously charge money to consult with people. We want you to have information and be educated so you can make informed decisions on what's best for your organization. So we're absolutely happy to work with you on that. A couple links below that will take you directly to those pages, and all the time, please feel free to email, give us a call. Happy to talk with you, even if it's just a quick 1-minute phone call, that's fine too. Definitely want to help you get set up, make sure that your workplace is rescue ready. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a good one.